YouTube? It's your girl Renee Antoinette, and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be doing my post-op look, okay? When I went in for surgery March 15th, I had braids. Them braids were a lifesaver. They went through everything with me. They went to LA with me. They went through my post-op procedure with me. They went through the whole surgery with me. And then a week after, I took them out. So what we're doing today is butterfly locks. And they came in today. Came in this pack right here by Bileaf. This is the package. And let's see what's all in here. 6 packs on Amazon. This is the 14-inch. Butterfly locks. 6 packs for $29.99. Oh, got some goodies at the bottom of the bag. So it looks like they sent crochet needle. They sent jewelry, hair jewelry. Oh, shoot. And some Bileaf lashes. Okay. Not mad at it. So I'm going to be doing crochetets. Just see what this hair looks like. I saw some reviews on it from some other people from Facebook. I saw some reviews from YouTube as well. I do love the little knots. They're so cute. So this is the hair. Yeah, as I do this, there is a little bit of shedding. It's a little weird. But, butterfly lock hair. Doesn't tell me what size, but it better be 14 inches, okay? Looks like it. Looks about 14 inches, right? Okay. So, what I want to do is I want to do my braids. My hair has been washed and blow dried. So I am going to start doing my braiding pattern. When I do my braiding pattern, I'll be back, and then we will go ahead and start getting our look together, guys. I shall return. All right, guys, I'm getting my braids down here. So this is my oil that I make. I do have my own business called Cocoa Brown Organic, and I do make natural hair care products. It's been working wonders on my edges because, honey, there was a time I couldn't even bring hair up right here. In December, I wore a wig for shit, almost a whole month, and them combs will still pull your hair out. Putting them combs right here, and like that stuff will take your hair out. And when I knew better. Like, I knew better. And it's like I was taking that wig off and I was washing my hair and just putting it back on, and I was seeing it, and I was just like, you know what? This is some bullshit, like, for real. And I was like, I'm just going to have to just, no more wigs, get some protective hairstyles and keep it moving. So I've been doing braids and protective hairstyles since December. I've had my braids they were in for about a month. And when I took them out, I had edges. So me keeping that oil in my hair and, you know, being consistent, that's what's the best thing to do. Or you're not going to see any progress. A lot of people are not consistent and then they want to get mad because they talking about the product don't work, this, and that. No, you have to use it more than fucking 2 weeks and then you'll see results. But yeah, guys, I don't have a specific braid pattern. I usually just braid them straight back, but I think I'm going to do zigzags in the back just to switch it up and see how that goes. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm pretty much done. I was worried at first. I was like, this looks a mess. But you know what? It doesn't look bad at all. I really want to throw on some makeup and stuff real quick and get real cute for y'all. Give your girl a few minutes. All right, guys. Here I am with the finishing touches. It came out really good. I am very happy. I had to go do my makeup real quick so y'all can just see. But baby, I really like it. I really do. So, some pros and cons about this hair. The pros is some of these braids only got 2 locks. Okay, 2. Some of these braids have only 4 or 5. You don't even need all the hair. I think I used maybe 4 packs, and then I kind of filled in a little bit. But yes, honey, she looks good. I love it. It does shed a little bit, but only on the ends. I do like that you can stretch the hair. You can stretch it. You can pull your knots down. You can make the knot as tight, and it actually looks really good at the root. I do recommend this hair. Like I said, it was by Bileaf, and I got it on Amazon. 6 packs for $29.99. Go ahead, check it out, girls, ladies, laydowns, whatever. But the hair is fab, honey. The hair is fab. I had to go get cute for y'all real quick. Yes, honey, yes. I love it. This is my post-op look. I literally don't do anything. I'm in the same dress. I wash my compression suit, put my compression suit back on. I don't do anything. I don't get dressed. This is the most I have done. I literally took a shower, washed my hair so I could do this video for y'all. And I want y'all to understand that this hair is bomb. It is so pretty. When you first start doing it, you're like, what is this mess? But honey, it came out really good, guys. Really good. I do recommend this hair. I'll try to put the link below. Y'all know I'm not good at all that link stuff, but yes. Leave your comments, subscribe, and feel free to share. I don't see a lot of this hair. I see a lot of butterfly, but not with this company. So just to let you guys know, this is what it is. Hope you hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I actually got some more hair in. That's for my birthday. It's for my birthday. Let me see if I can get it out, y'all. Yes, honey. It's by Trendy Tress. Yes. And it is 14-inch goddess curls. I will be crocheting these in for my birthday. And that is for May 3rd. So Cinco de Mayo weekend, y'all. These are going to come out. And that is going to go in. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. You guys have a good one.